Today, we're making an easy all-in-one meal, sheet pan lemon chicken with vegetables and herbs. This recipe is perfect for busy weeknights, packed with zesty lemon, fresh herbs, and colorful veggies. All it takes is one sheet pan and a few simple ingredients to bring a bright, flavorful dinner to your table with minimal cleanup. Let's dive in. Okay, for this recipe, we're gonna start off by mincing our garlic cloves. In a medium mixing bowl, we're gonna combine 3 tablespoons of oil, our garlic cloves, and the zest and juice of 1 lemon. Now we're gonna get our thyme sprigs. You're gonna wanna make sure you use fresh thyme for this recipe because fresh is always better with everything. With thyme, it's very simple. All you do is you take your finger and slide it along the branch, pulling off all the leaves. Make sure you get enough sprigs to make a tablespoon. Then you're just gonna chop these. And you're gonna add this to your bowl. Then add a tablespoon of rosemary, a teaspoon of paprika, and finally add some salt and pepper to taste. And give it a whisk. Then to your marinade, add 4 chicken thighs or breasts. Then coat every piece so when this chicken marinates for 30 minutes, it'll absorb all this delicious flavor. Then set this in a place to marinate for 30 minutes. And while our chicken is marinating, let's cut up our vegetables. I'm using about a pound of Yukon Gold potatoes, then a cup of cherry tomatoes. Then you're gonna slice 1 zucchini. And add that to your bowl too. Then add 2 sliced bell peppers. I'm using red and orange, you can do red and yellow. Really up to you. And add 1 thinly sliced onion. I'm using a red onion. On a large sheet pan, you're going to lightly grease it and you're gonna spread out your vegetables all around this pan. Now you may be thinking, wow, that is a lot of vegetables. I don't know how well it's gonna pair with the chicken. Well, it turns out the flavor the chicken develops from soaking the marinade pairs super well with all this. Then you're gonna get your bowl with your marinade in it. You're gonna take out your chicken. Now we're gonna bake this in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 35 minutes or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Here, my chicken has just come out of the oven and I'm letting it cool for just a little bit. I'm just chopping up a little bit of parsley. Just a rough chop, nothing special. And this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. Very simple. All you do is you take your parsley, you garnish it around your pan. Not much for flavor, as much as just for a color pop. Not hard, just takes a little bit of time. It's about an hour. But if you enjoy this recipe, smash that like button, consider subscribing to my community, and I'll see you on the next recipe.